Discover the ultimate secret, how to easily pocket $10,000 USD per month with your faceless Instagram account. In the ever-evolving landscape of digital entrepreneurship, the fusion of artificial intelligence and social media has become a formidable force. This journey delves deep into the realm of possibilities, where the synergy between AI and Instagram could potentially transform a faceless account into a thriving platform. Along this path, we'll explore not only the integration of AI in content creation and audience engagement, but also the tantalizing prospect of getting rich and making $10,000 use per month through this innovative approach. Our journey commences with the realization that AI is more than just a buzzword. It's a catalyst for redefining digital success and achieving financial prosperity. Initially, we sought to harness the power of AI to accelerate the growth of a seemingly anonymous Instagram account. However, as we ventured deeper into the world of AI, we discovered its capabilities spanned far beyond mere content generation or audience engagement. This transformative technology holds the potential to unlock significant revenue streams, offering a glimpse into a future where creativity, automation, and profitability converge seamlessly. Our ultimate goal is to shed light on the myriad facets of AI integration and Instagram. It's essential to address the question on everyone's mind: how can you get rich and make $10,000 use per month through this endeavor? The answer lies in the fusion of AI-driven content creation, strategic audience building, and innovative monetization tactics. By harnessing the power of AI to curate compelling content, engage with your target audience, and open doors to partnerships and sponsorships, you can embark on a journey where financial freedom, wealth accumulation, and significant monthly income become tangible realities. Throughout this exploration, we'll unveil the strategies and insights necessary to transform your faceless Instagram account into a thriving digital venture, paving the way for financial success in the digital age. Embarked on an intriguing journey to explore whether artificial intelligence can so swiftly propel a faceless Instagram account to 1 million real views and help us earn our first $1,000 online. My mission commenced by seeking the most popular keywords of 2023 from ChatGPT. However, I swiftly recognized one of the initial limitations of using AI. Thankfully, Bard, another AI tool, provided more up-to-date information. Consequently, I opted to ask Bard for the trending search terms on the internet over the last 6 months. The common theme that emerged was a trending extraordinarily, prompting me to turn to the AI tool Namelix to generate AI-related content names. After deliberation, I settled on the name AI Content Creator, perfectly aligned with my cause. With my AI-powered account established, my focus shifted to content creation and daily posting. I consulted ChatGPT to request 100 viral Instagram Reel scripts under 30 seconds. It provided a solid list of scripts tailored to my needs. Now the challenge was to find a way for AI to produce the content for me. Instead of explaining this process myself, I harnessed the power of AI to demonstrate it in under 1 minute. This process involved using 3 tools: Midjourney, 11 Labs, and Studio Did. These tools in harmony enabled the creation of engaging AI-generated content swiftly and efficiently. As I progressed, a critical question surfaced: how could we monetize this venture? Returning to AI for advice, I encountered an intriguing strategy: starting an AI newsletter. Coincidentally, I had recently learned about the success of the Superhuman AI newsletter, which piqued my interest in this strategy. Utilizing the HubSpot Septime Paying Assistant, I created a landing page where potential subscribers could join our email newsletter. This AI-driven tool suggested points for the landing page based on the provided information, simplifying the process. The AI assistant even provided a pre-made template designed for attracting newsletter subscribers. The next step involved crafting the actual weekly emails for our newsletter. HubSpot offered another pre-made newsletter template, streamlining the process further. To generate content for the newsletter, I once again relied on AI, this time from Bard, to compose an engaging newsletter-style email about a powerful AI tool for content creators. This demonstrated the seamless synergy between AI and content creation. Our team, as a team, as we embarked on our journey to harness the potential of AI and monetize your Instagram venture, a pivotal milestone emerged: building an email subscriber list. This step was pivotal in our quest to engage a dedicated audience and unlock revenue streams. To achieve this, we delved into creative marketing strategies on the Instagram platform, leveraging the dynamic feature of story polls to captivate viewers and amplify our visibility. our experimentation with Instagram story polls yielded remarkable results within a remarkably short time frame. We strategically designed polls that not only engaged our audience, but also incentivized them to take action. These polls were not merely interactive. They were vehicles for cultivating a community of eager subscribers. The outcome was nothing short of astonishing. In a mere 24 hours, we welcomed 74 new email subscribers into our fold. See, this rapid surge in subscribers underscored the effectiveness of our tactics and emphasized the incredible potential of AI-driven strategies when synergized with dynamic marketing techniques. It reinforced our belief that in the digital age, strategic engagement and creative approaches can quickly yield tangible results, positioning us for further growth and prosperity on our journey to financial success. And with our newsletter subscriber count reaching a milestone of 500, the next logical step was to explore avenues for monetization. We set our sights on smaller AI tool companies, recognizing the mutual benefits of collaboration. The proposal was straightforward. We offered to promote their cutting-edge products to our growing audience. This outreach effort bore fruit when we received an enticing paid partnership offer from one such AI tool company. The arrangement included an upfront fee along with commissions for any sales driven through our newsletter. While it might not have been a $1 million windfall, this partnership vividly illustrated the potential of combining AI-driven content creation with strategic monetization tactics. Our strategic collaboration marked a significant turning point in our journey, emphasizing the remarkable financial opportunities that lie at the intersection of AI and content creation. It showcased the viability of our approach and its potential to generate income, affirming the notion that AI can be a valuable ally in the pursuit of profitability. Although we had not yet reached the lofty goal of $1 million, this partnership served as a stepping stone, demonstrating that even with a smaller subscriber base, AI-powered strategies could lead to tangible financial returns. This success encouraged us to continue refining our approach, exploring new horizons in the dynamic world of digital entrepreneurship, and inching closer to our financial goals. In conclusion, the journey illuminated the potential of AI in content creation and monetization. While we may not have reached 1 million views or a substantial income yet, the results speak to the legitimacy of AI in assisting creators. The AI-central relationship, where humans and AI collaborate, appears to hold immense promise, and creators can benefit from AI's capabilities while maintaining their creative touch. The future of AI in the creator community remains a fascinating and evolving landscape, one that invites exploration and adaptation to stay ahead in the ever-changing digital world.